Under the hammer, on the 23rd of August 2022, is this expansive North Coast sugarcane farm, ideally located along the northern banks of the Tugela River in KwaZulu-Natal. With a total extent of 886 hectares, the farm is comprised of 500 hectares of sugarcane, with an additional 60 hectares of land standing fallow. Further, there is currently an estimated 60 hectares of timber. The Tugela River forms the southern and western boundary of the farm, while the N2 National Highway bisects the property. The farm is comprised of 11 adjoining portions, which will be offered as one collective lot. Improvements on the farm include houses, sheds, an old pack shed, and staff accommodation. Beyond the agricultural potential and capacity of the farm, this aesthetically pleasing property with beautiful views will certainly appeal to developers looking for opportunity along the ever-popular KwaZulu-Natal North Coast. We look forward to your attendance at the auction on the 23rd of August 2022 at the Mount Edgecombe Country Club. For those who cannot attend the auction in person, and for international bidders, online bidding facilities are available. For more information about this property and to arrange a viewing, please contact Tom on 083 636 7800.